Peace and blessings, mabuhay. If you are someone who needs clarity, connection, and healing, I'm inviting you to join Connect the Grounds Weekend Camping Healing Retreat, happening every Saturdays to Sundays dito sa Tupi, South Cotabato. Ako po si Inang iNet Radio, and I decided to host this weekend camping retreat because I know how it feels to be alone. I know how it feels to be confused, and I know how it feels to be tormented by the thoughts that cannot stop in your mind, the beliefs that you cannot break. And yeah, Connect Around Mother Nature and me as your host will be assisting you into understanding yourself more better para mas madali kang makamove on, para mas madali mong ma-release yung mga bagay na dapat matagal mo nang nirelease, from excess weight, excess burdens, excess people, excess negativities na dapat matagal mo nang nilet go at matagal mo nang pinurge. Pero dahil wala kang supporting system, wala kang makausap na may sense, wala kang makausap na makamotivate sa'yo kasi wala namang makarelate sa'yo, yeah, that's why it's not easy for you to truly create a year of transformation. That's why Connect the Grounds Weekend Camping Healing Retreat, it's a transformative energy restoration practice every weekend nangyayari, ginaganap dito sa Connect the Ground para sa lahat ng mga gustong maibalik ang senses nila at ma-remind sila ulit ng kung sino talaga ang totoong sila, to empower ourselves again. Kasi walang darating to save us, only us. So invest in yourself. DM us to register. Ngayong parating na January 31st, meron tayong 12 spots na open para sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-lose ng weight organically, naturally, and scientifically. Much love. Carpe diem. Namaste. This has been Ia Vinet Radio. I'll see you guys soonest, and let's all heal together. Mwah. Namaste.